Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on TCL Linkhub. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into Settings. Now we're going to go to Wi-Fi, and here we're going to go to Basic. Now here, we want to scroll down and make sure that 5 GHz is enabled. So as you guys can see, it is loading for me because for me it was disabled. Now it is turning on automatically. So I cannot do anything right now here, but as you guys can see here, we got the switch. Now if you do not have this switch, then what you guys want to do is make sure that 2.4 GHz is also enabled, make sure that 5 GHz is preferred, and then everything will pop up here. So once you basically click 5 GHz preferred, the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz will basically merge into one network. So it will be only TCL B591 and not some 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz. It will be just one network. So as you guys can see, it is unloading, and I'll see you guys once it loads everything back up. So now the site is refreshing, but we are finally connected. We can see that the frequency is 5 GHz and everything works just fine. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.